In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a chat with Microsoft Copilot, a fantastic tool designed to make your digital experience smoother and more efficient. Whether you're seeking quick answers, tackling complex problems, or simply exploring new ideas, Copilot is your go-to AI companion. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the straightforward process step by step. First, let's navigate to the Microsoft Copilot website. You can do this by opening your preferred internet browser and typing in copilot.microsoft.com in the URL bar, then pressing enter. This will take you to the Microsoft Copilot homepage, where you'll see various options and tools that Copilot offers. It's a well-organized, user-friendly interface designed to get you started with ease. Here, the goal is to familiarize yourself with the environment, so take a moment to look around if it's your first time. This will help you understand where you can find the tools and options as you start using Copilot more frequently. Next up is crafting your question or the topic you're interested in discussing with Copilot. You'll find a text input box prominently visible on the page. This is where you'll type your queries. Whether you need information on a specific topic or require assistance with a more complex issue, don't hesitate to type away. Formulate your question clearly and concisely to help the AI provide the most accurate response. For instance, if you're seeking advice on a project, try to include all the relevant details to get the best guidance from the AI. The key here is clear communication to enable Copilot to serve you effectively. Once you've written your question, it's time to initiate the conversation by clicking Enter. This simple action sends your query into Copilot's system, where it promptly begins processing your request through its advanced machine learning algorithms. In no time, you'll start seeing responses crafted to address your query in detail. You can expect quick, accurate, and insightful replies that leverage Copilot's extensive access to information. This process is designed to be fast and efficient, ensuring you get the assistance you need without delay. And there you have it. By following these steps, you're well on your way to unlocking the full potential of Microsoft Copilot, making your online interactions smarter and more productive. Whether it's for personal inquiries or professional tasks, using Copilot effectively can lead to more informed decisions and a streamlined workflow. Remember, practice makes perfect. So the more you engage with Copilot, the more proficient you'll become in navigating its resources. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful on your journey to mastering Microsoft Copilot.